Sometimes you have to dig a little bit deeper into the cryptocurrency market to find out what may be going on or get some additional clues. It is Greg again. Let's let you guys know I'm going to go over this asset here called AAVE. I know it's not sexy, but I want to show you a couple things real quick that could be a little bit important. But one of the reasons I do like this asset, guys, is because of this right here. You know what that means? Limited supply, ability to pump. And also, too, come over here to Twitter. They have a pretty good, community, very big community. But going over to the AAVE chart, guys, I was looking at it, and here's what is interesting to me, because I was double checking everything here with AAVE. Okay. So briefly, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 on this move that it made, and then 1, 2, 3 down for this W. Okay. And then if you take this move that it did right here, it went up 2, 3. And you can see it in the RSI. You take a look at the RSI from that point up to 3. That's the X wave, in my opinion, right there. But here's what's interesting about it, guys. If you take a look at that, the fib levels from this point, the W, X, Y, you see a perfect 1-to-1 on the fib. And then I was taking a look at its move that it was doing. And could that be another X wave, B wave type of move? It could be. But if I look at this move here, this is pretty much a 3-wave move down. So like an A, B, C. And then this is looking like it could be, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, and then up for another 5. So it's something you want to pay attention to, in my opinion. I think it's important, because you want to find assets that are going to have massive price appreciation, and that's where you want to deploy capital. Not to say to do that right now, not financial advice, but this right here on AAVE, this, what is that, about $64 could be a significant bottom, in my opinion. A lot of people are looking at, it's just going to go down. Maybe it's done. It could be done, guys. Now, there's a few things that I look at to see if an asset like this is going to be done on its move. One is, how deep did it go? 90%. You see 90%. Look at the levels on the RSI on the daily. It took it out. You take a look at that on the daily, it took it all out. So that's good. Now, there's some negatives too. There's always, look at the negative ways. So if I go out to the 3-day chart, it still has bullish divergence on that RSI down there, guys. If I go to the weekly chart, it's the same thing, bullish divergence. So that's a negative part of it on AAVE. Okay, but on the daily, it's good. It hit fib levels. It hit. Has this deep RSI on AAVE. It looks like what could be a completed sequence. It went deep enough. 90% retracement. Things are starting to look pretty good, and it's looking like maybe some possible bullishness out of there. Now, don't get me wrong. That could be some new X wave, and it's going to swing back down. Just saying, though, it's something you might want to pay attention to. All right, guys, and then make this real brief. I was looking at the S&P 500, and the S&P 500 is interesting because when it comes to the markets, these financial markets, especially these risk-on assets, think about that. Where's the money going to go first? It's going to go into the S&P 500 here and things like that. The money's going to start flowing into there first, into this, before it starts flowing into Bitcoin or Ethereum or into the cryptocurrency market. This is more likely going to start first in the NASDAQ or the Qs and SPY. And this will go bullish, and then Bitcoin will be later. But I still think Bitcoin has more downside because everybody's like, Bitcoin is not correlated to the S&P 500. It's going up now, and Bitcoin's going down. Dude, look, guys, if you look at the whole big picture of Bitcoin, you can't say it's 100% correlated to the other markets. You can't. It's just not. It's just not. Not all the time. Maybe sometime in the future it will be. But here's what's interesting. You can look at this SPY or SPX, S&P 500 here, and you can see that's a bullish move, guys. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's bullishness right there. And that momentum that shot off of there, That's pretty good. Now, if you're looking at this one, I'm comparing to that one, there's some negative ways you can look at that. So like it here is a hidden, somebody could say, well, oh, that's hidden bearish divergence. But in the up and coming next week or two, to see what this move is going to do. So it has that move down 5 wave. It's going to come down and do a correction. How deep that will go, not too sure. It might be shallow, it might be deep. But wherever it's going to go, when this is doing its correction, the bears are going to be back. Oh, hey, see, look, told you so. You know, the shorts are there. It's going to be going down. But if this S&P 500 swings back down and swings back up bullishly again, something's going on. Something seriously is going on. And if it breaks that channel, I'd say, let's see. Something's definitely going on. But the difference between this move, guys, and this move is this move, there's no divergence. This move has it. So this is a bullish move. Whether it's going to be a corrective up to swing back down, I don't think so, guys. I don't think so. You take a look at you come all the way out here and look at the whole big picture. You know, that correction, is that correction deep enough to have gone on and make another move from here? I think so. You take a look at that. You know, there might be another leg up of some sort going on with the SPX. Thanks for watching. Peace.